You are welcome to this channel. It is a new channel which is into research about the Euromillion lottery system in order to help you to get pick three numbers and a jackpot winning ticket. So that's why we are showing this kind of videos on YouTube for everybody to get access to it. So the Euromillion lottery system, based on what I have realized, it is somewhat very difficult to win all five numbers from the Euromillion lottery system. But indeed, there is a strategy that will help you, and that's what I want to help you with it. So, as I told you in my earlier video concerning the Euromillion form 66, these are the pair of numbers from the star numbers permutation. So, when you perm the star numbers, all the 12 numbers, these are the list of lines that you get. So they are up to number 66, up to number 66, and it ends as 11, 12 for the star number. So every line is what we are referring to as the form 66 for the Euromillion lottery jackpot. So for this particular one, I'll show you a very simple trick that will help you. If you can invest in it, it will help you to get money, a lot of money in the Euromillion lottery system. So this is an investment plan that I'm going to share with you. Investment plan about the Euromillion lottery system. So let's consider the Euromillion lottery system, the entire numbers. For every set of lottery numbers, the best way to win the lottery is through the ending numbers. For example, if you take the Euromillion lottery system, it has 50 numbers. So for ending numbers, when you group the numbers according to endings, all the 50 numbers, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then ending 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. Ending 2 numbers, 2, 12, 22, 32, 42. Ending 3 numbers, 3, 23, 13, 33, 43. Ending 4 numbers, we have 4, 14, 24, 34, 44. Ending 5 numbers, 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Ending 6 numbers, 6, 16, 26, 36, 46. Ending 7 numbers, 7, 17, 27, 37, 47. Ending 8 numbers, 8, 18, 28, 38, 48. And ending 9 numbers, 9, 19, 29, 39, 49. So these are the entire numbers of the Euromillion lottery system. They are 50 numbers. So the best way to win is by grouping them according to endings. Okay. Now, for what I'm going to share with you is very important. I'll put it in this group so that you have access to it. Now, if you have Telegram or if you're using Telegram, you can search this name, Millions Jackpot Winners on Telegram, and you will get the group. The group will come, you click to join the group, and every information that I share in the group, you also have access concerning the Euromillion lottery system. So, search Million Jackpot Winners on Telegram, then you can join the group. So, I'll put what I'm going to do in that group for you to have access to it. So let's move on. The ending number that we are talking about, the first three, ending 0, ending 1, and ending 2. These first three endings, they are the one that we are going to win the lottery from the Euromillion lottery system. Now let me tell you, from today up to today is 12 August 2022. Okay, so from today up to 14th October 2022. So from today 12th August to 14th October 2022, we are going to use this endings, ending 0, ending 1, and ending 2 combination, because from today to 14th August, Euromillion is going to drop either 5 numbers from this 3 endings combination, or it's going to drop 4 from this ending combination. So that's what I want to show you, and the possible combination that we can make to fill the form 66, so that you will stick all the numbers from 1, 2, 3 up to 66, up to line 66. to complete the form 66, so that when the 4 numbers or 5 numbers draw from this set, you'll be able to win a jackpot, or at least 4 numbers and one jackpot, one star number from the Euromillions lottery system. And for 3 numbers, once you draw 4, you get a lot of 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 from the set. So let me introduce you to what we are going to do based on ending 0, ending 1, and ending 2 numbers. So for line number one, the star numbers are 1 and 2 that we are going to match with them. So they are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This set. Then line number 2, we have 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. Line number 3, we have single 2, 12, 22, 32, 42. So after line number 3, the remaining ones from line number 4 downwards up to line number 66, they are all a combination of 5 numbers of ending 1, ending 2, and ending 0 numbers. So it is very simple. You need to gather all this information or record so that every resource of the Euromillions lottery system from today will invest in all the 66 lines. And as I told you earlier in my video, I said that if you want to win the jackpot of the Euromillions lottery system, you don't have to buy 1 ticket, 2 tickets, or even 10 tickets. You have to buy at least 66 tickets, different tickets, and the 66 are a combination of the star number that we are having it here up to this one, so that anytime any of the star numbers drop, you at least win the star number. For star numbers, you win it straight. The problem here is this particular area whereby you get the 5 numbers. That is the problem. But for the star numbers, once you buy the 66 ticket using the 66 jackpot form of the Euromillions lottery system, which I have developed, definitely you'll be able to win the jackpot. So from 4 to 66, it is a combination of ending 1, ending 2, and ending 0 numbers. So 4, we have 12, 21, 40, 50, 42, and it is matching 1 and 5 for star numbers. Then we have 1, 2, 20, 21, 31, 41, which is matching 1 and 6 star numbers. Then we have 22, 30, 32, 11, 10, and it is also matching 1 and 7 star numbers. We have 1, 11, 21, 2, 12. It is matching 1, 8 star numbers. We have 10, 20, 30, 41, 32, matching 1, 9 star numbers. We have 40, 50, 31, 22, 42. It is matching single 1 and 10 star numbers. Also, we have 10, 1, 2, 10, 11, 1, 2, 20, 11. 10, 1, 2, 20, 11. It is matching 11 and 1 star numbers. We also have 12, 30, 21, 22, 40. It is matching 1, 12 numbers. Then we have 31, 32, 50, 41, 42. It is matching 2 and 3 star numbers. We also have 2, 11, 30, 12, 21. It is matching 2 and 4 star numbers. We have 40, 22, 21, 50, and single 1. It is matching 2 and 5 star numbers. We have 10, 20, 32, 41, 42, matching 2 and 6 star numbers. We have 10, 12, 30, 32, 50. It is matching 7 and 2 star numbers. We also have single 1, 20, 22, 40, 42, matching 2 and 8 star numbers. We have 2, 30, 31, 11, 41, matching 2 and 9 star numbers. We have 11, 21, 30, 40, single 2, matching 2 and 10 star numbers. We have 20, 50, 32, 42, 41, matching 2 and 11 star numbers. We have 1, 31, 10, 12, and 22, matching 2 and 12 star numbers. So that is what, up to 21. Let's continue. So the next, we have line number 22. We have 32, 42, 21, 31, 41, matching 3 and 4 star numbers. We have 23, line number 23, 10, 30, 50, signal 2, 12, matching 3 and 5 star numbers. We have 1, 22, 11, 20, 40, matching 3 and 6 star numbers. We have 1, 30, 21, 10, 42, matching 3 and 7 star number. We have 22, 50, 31, 32, 11, matching 3 and 8 star number. We have 2, 20, 41, 12, 40, matching 3 and 9 star numbers. We have 1, 22, single 2, 30, 50, matching 3 and 10 star number. We have 20, 21, 41, 31, and 10, matching 3 and what? 11 star numbers. We also have 32, 12, 42, 11, 40. It is matching 3 and 12 star numbers. We have 1, 20, 12, 31, 42, matching 4 and 5 star numbers. We have 32, 21, 22, single 2, and 30, matching 4 and 6 star numbers. Then also, we have 41, 50, 11, 10, 40, matching 4 and 7 star number. We have 32, 21, 41, 51, matching 4 and 8 star numbers. We have 20, 12, 22, 11, 31, matching 4 and 9 star numbers. We have 2, 10, 42, 30, 40, matching 4 and 10 star number. We have 20, 10, 12, 2, and 32, matching 4 and 11 star number. We have 21, 41, 32, 42, and 50. It is matching 4 and 12 star numbers of the Euromillions lottery system. Okay, so we also have 11, 21, 31, 40, matching 5 and 6 star numbers. We have 20, 21, 11, 30, 41, matching 5 and 7 star numbers. We have 10, 12, 22, 1, single 2, matching 5 and 8 star number. We have 42, 31, 32, 50, 40, matching 5 and 9 star numbers. We have 11, 22, 32, 30, and 50, matching 5 and 10 star numbers. We have 1, 2, 41, 40, and 31, matching 5 and 11 star numbers. We also have 12, 21, 42, 10, 20, matching 5 and 12 star numbers. Then that is what? Line number 45. Let's continue. It ends at 66. So line number 46, we have 50, 31, 20, 32, 41, matching 6 and 7 star number. We have 10, 30, 40, 42, 21, matching 6 and 8 star numbers. We have 2, 12, 1, 11, 22. It is matching 6 and 9 star number. We have 1, 41, 42, 30, 50, matching 6 and 10 star number. We have 31, 40, 20, 31, 30. Let me see. This one, let me do the correction. It is 32. Here, the number is 32, not 31. The number is 32. Okay, it is 32. So it is 32, 31, 40, 20, 32, 21, matching 6 and 11 star numbers. Also, we have 11, 12, 2, 12, 11, 22, 2, 12, and what? 32, matching 6 and what? 12 star number. We have 10, 2, 21, 20, and 1, matching 7 and 8 star numbers. We also have 40, 20, 12, 11, 30, matching 7 and 9 star number. We have 41, 10, 30, 22, 11, matching 7 and 10 star numbers. Okay, we also have 51, 21, 40, 32. It is matching 7 and 11 star number. We have 42, 31, 20, 30, and 50, matching 7 and 12 star number. We have 10, 2, 21, 22, 20, matching 8 and 9 star number. We have 1, 12, 31, 32, 40, matching 8 and 10 star number. We have 50, 42, 30, 11, 41, matching 8 and 11 star numbers. We also have 20, 40, 41, 22, 32, matching 8 and 12 star number. And we have 11, 30, 21, 42, and 12. It is matching 9 and 10 star numbers. We have 31, 2, 1, 10, 50, matching 9 and 11 star numbers. We have 1, 2, 22, 30, 40, matching 9 and 12 star number. We have 21, 10, 12, 32, 42, matching 10 and 11 star numbers. We have 50, 11, 31, 41, 20, matching 10 and 12 star number. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 32, matching 11 and 12 star number. So this is the entire Euro Million from 66 combination from ending 0, ending 1, and ending 2 numbers of the Euro Million lottery system. So this means that every drawn from of the Euro Million lottery system, starting from today, August 12, 2022 to 14th October 2022, the Euro Million lottery system is going to drop ending numbers, ending 0, ending 1, ending 2. This particular combination, it is going to drop 5 or 4 numbers from this particular combination. It may happen even 2 or 3 times. Okay, so that is why we have this particular combination. So these are the possible best combination that we can generate together with 8 pair of star numbers. So you need to gather all this record and put it down. So if you have money, it is an investment. This is an investment plan of the Euro Million Lottery system. Only if you have money to invest in this particular groupings of the numbers that we are having here, definitely you are going to get a winning ticket from the Euro Million Lottery system, either a jackpot or 4 numbers with star numbers combination. Okay, if you are lucky to, you may get all the 5 numbers with 1 star number combination, and it is a huge sum of money. That's what I want to share with you. So as I told you, all this, I will be taking a picture of this and share it in my group on Telegram. So on Telegram, as I told you, the name of the group is Million Jackpot Winners. Set this name on Telegram and you will get the images there in the group, and that you can try your luck on it and use it to win the Euro Million lottery system from now to 14th of October the year 2022. Thanks for watching. There are more tricks about the Euro Million lottery system which I will share on the channel. Subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and share the videos. Have a good day. I wish you stay blessed.